Okay guys, today we're going to look at inequalities and we're going to start off with these two symbols, or crocodiles as I like to call them. If you want to get your blue books out so we can make our first notes in those blue books, remember those blue books are where you're going to put all the sort of examples and instructions, and then when you do work on a worksheet or from the textbook or some task, you're going to do it in your yellow book. But now we're going to do some examples, so they're going to go in your blue books. And if you want to turn to page 31, you should see that there is a little sort of tree and it's called equations at the top. There's the sort of category, and if you look in the bottom right, there's one that says represent inequalities on a number line. That's the one we're going to do today. To start off with, we're just going to look at the symbol there. We'll come on to the number lines later. So we see we've got these two symbols here. I like to think of them as crocodiles. So if I wanted to put one in this space here to make this statement correct, the crocodile always eats the bigger number or the bigger thing. So obviously we know that 11 is bigger than 7, so we need to put in the crocodile that will be eating 11, like that. Okay, sometimes you see it with negative numbers, -3 and -7. So again, the crocodile's going to eat the bigger thing, the thing that's worth more, and -3 is worth more than -7. It's further along the number line, so the crocodile that goes there belongs like that. You're also going to have a look on your sheet in a minute at changing sort of some from words into statements. So we've got A is less than 7. So we're going to need an A and we're going to need a 7. Okay, and we need A to be less than 7. So if A is less, well then the crocodile can't be eating the A because it has to eat the thing that's bigger. So if A is less than 7, then 7 is the thing that's bigger. So that's what the crocodile is going to be eating. And you would get something that looks like that. You could also, if you wanted, write the 7 and the A the other way around and write the crocodile the other way around if you really wanted to. That would be saying 7 is greater than A, which is the same thing as saying A is less than 7. One more slightly different example we're going to look at together. This one says A is more than or equal to 3. A is more than, but it could also be equal to 3. So I'm still going to have an A and a 3. If A is more, well, the crocodile eats the thing that's more, so the crocodile's going to eat the A. But also, I need to show that it could be equal to, it could be more than, or it could be equal to. So what we do is we just give our crocodile a little double chin like this. And if you look, the double chin creates something that looks a bit like an equal sign, a sort of slanty equal sign. So if we didn't have that double chin, it would just be saying A is greater than 3, A is more than 3. But now it's saying A is more than or equal to 3. So it could be 3, it could be 4, it could be 5, it could be 6, it could be 7. We don't care what it could be. It's just saying that's the numbers it could be. Hopefully now you can have a go at the first few questions of the worksheet. Please make sure you mark your answers as you go.